Hey, superstars. Hey, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin here. And listen, yes, I know what you're looking at. $16,000 using free images. It's a brand new website here, okay? It's new to you, not new to me. It's new to you. And if you are wanting to make money online, if you are that person that really want to understand how the gurus, the internet experts make money online, watch this video to the very end. It's free. All I ask you to do is smash the like button if you like French fries. Seriously, because I love some French fries. If you like some French fries, can I get an amen? Smash the like button, share this, tag somebody. If you can taste those crunchy fries in your mouth right now. Listen, before I get started here, I want you to understand something about the internet, okay? Many people that never make money online, it's because they have this very weak belief that they can't do it. See, some of you are outside of the United States, and guess what? This is worldwide. Some of you just can't believe that you can do this because you've tried other things. This is what I want you to do for the first time ever. Instead of using your past to create your future, okay, thinking about all the times you've tried these methods to make money online, I want you to create your future, okay? So comment below, just say, I can do this. That's simple, right? I'm a multi-millionaire, but I'm a humble guy. I'm a regular average, dark-skinned, chocolate, sexy mother. No, I'm just kidding. Listen, I'm a regular guy, man. I really am, and I started just like a lot of you, but you really have to believe that you can do this, because with a very, very jaded mentality or a negative mentality, it doesn't matter if I show you step by step, you still won't get it, and it won't work for you. Is that cool? So comment below, I can do this, okay? So listen, let me get started here. Hey, show me some love. Here's the YouTube channel. Smash the like button. Sub to your boy Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Look at me right here. It's like I got to go to the bathroom. I'm constipated. I'm like, Yeah. I mean, listen, smash the like button. Sub to the channel every single day. I do these videos just like this. I post them on YouTube here, and they're free. And there are hundreds of ways to make money online. You choose one for yourself. Select one that's easy for you. And this is something that anybody can do. It doesn't matter your age. Doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter your expert level. You can do this, okay? So the first site you want to go to is templatemonster.com, okay? Templatemonster.com. Take a screenshot, please. Go to this site right now. Many people never make money online with these type of videos is because you don't do it with me. Like, do it with me, okay? Do it with me. I got love for you. I want you to win. I know you're tired of the 9-to-5 job. I know you're tired of being sick and tired. So if you want to win, do it with me. Pull out your laptop, right? Put some clothes on. You're probably in the bed butt naked just like me, right? When you get rich, you know, one thing about getting wealthy, you always butt naked around your room, and you're butt naked around your penthouse, and, you know, and I have a bunch of windows here, so I really don't care because I work out, so body looking tight. But listen, this is what I want you to do. Go to templatemonster.com, go to all products here, and you want to scroll down to graphics here, and I'm going to tell you about the site in a second here, and go to resume templates. This is very important to go to resume templates. Don't go to logo templates, magazine, resume, okay? Click here, and you'll notice, basically, this site is basically like a Fiverr.com. It's like a peopleperhour.com, guru.com. It's just a lot of people don't know about it. You're just not aware of it, right? And many people here, because I know some people right now are like, well, Wesley, you said 16 grand, right? You said, because right here, like I said, $16,000. I said, smash the like button if you like fries. But everybody looking at this 16 G's. Let me show you proof. Watch this. Hold on. Give me a second. There we go. Look at this. Watch this. Let me show you proof. If you click on best sellers right here, you see this young man right here? For $19, he's selling resume templates, okay? And he has made over $16,000. That's crazy, right? But that's not the best part. The best part is he has no reviews. No reviews at all. You know, some people say, well, you got to have reviews, Wes. You need reviews. I'm a nobody. Nobody knows me. Listen, it's just your mindset. You got that negative, innovating piss poor mindset. That's why you broke. That's why you averaging. And I'm trying to pull you out of averageness, and I'm trying to bring you over with me in a penthouse, baby. You know, the land of paradise, the place where you do what you want when you want to do it. So look here. Look at this young lady. That's $16,000 she's made so far, Jessica. She's a lawyer here. That person has made $16,000, right? Because they did over 800 sales so far. And it's just anybody can do this. Now, check this out. Let me show you something. Because I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, I don't know how to create resumes. Okay. Well, I got a software for you. I got a software that would do it for you. Smash the like button because I'm giving it to you for free tonight, today. Okay. Whenever you're watching this video right now, get excited because I'm giving some love. I'm giving you I'm showing some love, baby. Look at this. So you need to sign up here. You just click on start selling here. Okay. Once you click on start selling, it's going to take you to a page like this. You can either click on become an author or start selling so you can make money online right now. Okay. You click that button here. Bada boom, bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. You're going to sign up. And then what you want to do is click on become an author here. Very simple. You want to click on the button here. Make sure you read that here. Click agree. See how easy this is? Simple, right? You want to select the product category. It's going to be resume here. Okay. Resume Resume templates. There we go. Okay. I want to upload them for free. Now, this is important. Don't click this. If you click this, that means that you're going to offer this service for free. Now, why would you do that? That'll be stupid. That'll be dumb. All right. You're here to capitalize. Okay. So click next. Make sure you do not check that box. If you do, you will make $0. Okay. And this platform, other people are going to pay you when you sell. Okay. You create a nickname, product name, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do all that. So hold that screen open. Okay. Stay with me. Comment below if you're still with me. Or just smash the like button if you like French fries. Okay. As a matter of fact, I'm getting ready to order me some Voodoo Donuts. Apple fritter. Man, that apple fritter is so good. But I'm trying to get the 8-pack. So I'm kind of like torn between the apple fritter and then the 6-pack. I'm trying to get Summertime Fine. You know how I feel. Listen. Okay, here we go. This is the site where you need to go. It's a software basically where it's going to create all these resumes for you on autopilot. So when people start to order from you, and they will, I'm going to show you how to do that. You just get paid. Go to Crello.com. Crello.com. Website you've never heard about, right? Crello.com. Crello.com. All right, so once you go to that website, all you do is go here. And it's basically a free design website. Type in resume, hit enter, bada boom, bada bing. You see thousands of resumes. So now I know what you're thinking. You say, well, okay, Wes, are you telling me that people here are basically, when people order, they just go into this site here? They just go into this site right here and just basically downloading the resumes for free and not doing none of the work? Absolutely. I mean, do you actually think people are actually spending their time creating a resume for a person for $19? Are you insane? No, they're not doing that. They're going here because many people are just not aware yet, right? You just don't know. If you don't know, then guess what? You can capitalize. And this happens every day, all day. Okay. So say this girl right here. Ooh, Karen. Okay, girl. I see you, boo. Looking kind of cute. Look. So what you do is, say if someone ordered from you, you click on use template. You take their name because they're going to order from you and they're going to pay you money today or whenever you get started with this, and you put in their name. Okay. So you basically create this and you put her picture or whatever she do for a living, and you just click and you can type whatever you want very quickly here. Once you're done, you click the download button and it's going to download straight to your computer here. But make sure you have a free account. It is free. You don't have to spend a dime on this. So all you do is every time someone orders, okay, every time somebody orders from here, you just go to Crello.com. That's it. How many of you can do that? All right. Now, I know what the question is. I get it. Just calm down. The question is, okay, Wes, I love you. I love you. I love you to life, Mr. Virgin. I get it. Listen. So the question is, so Wesley, how do I get more people here? Okay. How do I get more people to basically click my profile out of all these different profiles here? How do I do it? What's the trick? What's the secret? What do people do? So when I create the account today. I'm going to do this today with you, Mr. Virgin. Okay. And how do I get people to choose me so I can make some of this money, right? So I can just leave this stupid 9-to-5 job, leave my parents' house and tell my parents that, oh my God. Oh, my necklace. I don't have my necklace on my, oh, I left my necklace at the nail spot, guys. I'm sorry. All right, look. So this is what you do, okay? Pay close attention here. What you do is click on bestsellers or trending. I like to do bestsellers. What you do is you click on this guy's profile. Okay, this guy is a bestseller, and what you want to do is model everything. That's all you have to do. Okay? Model everything. The website is templatemonster.com, folks. Templatemonster.com. You just model this guy. That's it. And let me show you how you get discovered. You use his tags. See, tags is the key. Tags is what get people on this site to see your stuff. So you just you copy all this and you model his tags. And I'm telling you, just watch people start to click on your profile, start ordering your gig. But make sure you model everything that you see here. And the great thing about this one, I love this because it has no reviews. Because there's always somebody that says that you need reviews. No, you don't. You really don't need any reviews. You just got to have these strategies that I'm giving you for free. Now, listen, if you want to make 10K per month, I can show you how to do that within 45 days flat. I'll leave a link under the description. But listen, this is all you have to do, okay? All you need to do right now is model this guy's profile. Or you can do this. Look, go to trending, okay? What does trending mean? That means it's hot. It's hot. This guy has already made $550, probably a new profile, right? Somebody probably like him watched the video like this, and he just did it for free. And now he made $550. This person made over, what's that, $3,000 so far? So look, click on this guy's profile, or girl, or whatever, right? And you just basically model this. Just model, when you create your profile, model everything, especially the tags. The tags are very important. Model those things here, okay? That's how you make money. How many of you can do this? Comment below. How many of you want to show me some love and smash that like button because you know you like French fries with ketchup on it? Some of you like mayonnaise and hot sauce. Smash that like button. Listen, you can do this in the description below if you want my help, if you want me to assist you, okay? If you don't want to be in the process, click below. The link is there for you. I will help you make $10,000 per month in the first 45 days, but you got to be willing.